This just might be the only time I say this. My name is Don. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, I talk about things that interest me. As of right now, I'm interested in camera gear. So that's what I'm talking about right now, camera gear. I mean, not right now in this moment, but you know what I mean. I currently own numerous camera bodies from different manufacturers like Sony, Canon, Olympus, and Fuji. I recently sold all of my Panasonic gear, which I'm kind of starting to miss, and now I'm heavily considering getting the GH6. But anyways, as of the time of making this video, on this channel, you will find gear reviews, vlogs about gear reviews, and gear series that encompass gear reviews and vlogs whenever I'm working on a series. I will be posting gear series every Monday and reviews every Friday, and occasionally the random video about gear sometime in between Monday and Friday, but you will want to subscribe for when I post that random video of interest throughout the week, which won't happen every week, but you'll have to subscribe to find out when that one does come out. Just think of the random video as the random text you get from a friend who isn't actually talking about anything, but in this case I'll be talking about camera gear and things related to photography, videography, cinematography, and all the other ographies alike. And I'm always open to talk about what you want to talk about as well, so let me know what you want to talk about and we can talk about it. All right, stay awesome.